it is day 7 of the 7-day decluttering challenge. Has it been a thumbs up challenge for you? Have you made progress? Has it motivated you? Have you become less overwhelmed, more productive? First of all, I want you to focus on any progress you've made, any teeny tiny amount. It's some progress, better than nothing, right? Even if you've done nothing, focus on any new awareness that has developed for you or tips that you have learned to use in the future, because these videos are yours. They will be in your email inbox unless you delete them. They will be there for you to do and watch over and over again. So if you haven't gotten to some of these challenges, don't worry. Today's your catch-up day. I'm not going to give you a specific decluttering challenge today. You can go back, look at the other videos, or if you've made notes, do one of the other challenges. I would also like you to place any donations that you've accumulated this week, place them into your car and drop them off the next time you drive near your favorite charity. So don't go out of your way. Don't make this hard. It's super easy. It's not going to take much time. Don't get caught up on, it's going to take a lot of time. I don't have time to drop these off. Yes, you do, because many of these charities have a drive-through service. You drive through, they usually help you unload your car. It's protected from the weather, the heat, the wind, the sun, the snow, the rain, the sleet, whatever. It's so easy. No excuses. Drop those off. You'll feel good after doing that. They'll be out of your house, out of your garage. Secondly, if you're looking for more motivation, encouragement, support, I invite you to join my closed Facebook group. So it's a special group for people just like you who want encouragement, non-judgmental encouragement and support from your peers and from me, your organizing expert. So go ahead and join. There'll be a link in the email. You may have seen it already. We would love to have you as a member of the group if you haven't joined already. So thank you for participating. It was great to have you along. I would love feedback. Email me, reach out to me with any feedback you have about this challenge. Thank you for joining me.